fuel. We made the adjustments we needed to make last night. Boat's running the best it's run, so get out there and see what we can do.
Here we have a challenger, I believe, for the Parvies in the Factory Billet.
Jim Schultz.
Yeah, that's right. They went 162 yesterday, and they were up by the Parvies boat by 6 miles an hour. So they're looking to get past the 166 to be the fastest V-bottom out here.
Jim puts the throttles down, and I'm in it. I'm like, oh, it's there.
That didn't take long.
And then all of a sudden it did that, like where it lays over again, and I'm like, oh my God. Again, it's fighting us.
"5 years of building the boat, another 5 years, 6 years now, proving the boat out. It's kind of hard to walk away from it at this point.